So recently we just made a castle completely out of clay, guys. This took us literally 10,000 magical clays to do. So I was thinking, you know what'd be super cool is a magical clay boat. Our plan is to make a working clay boat and have it go on an actual river. You guys think we can pull this off? I feel like we can. I think we can.
Cool boat.
Let's do this. So all three of us are gonna be making tiny little boats out of magical clay, and the best design will win. So first thing we need to do is make the design of the boat. So we're gonna do a little sketching with magical clay.
I'm gonna make some real nice boat.
I think I'm gonna make it around like a pool because that way there'll be enough surface for all of us to sit on it.
I have the perfect idea for mine. It's gonna be inspired by something. So here are our finalized boats. I made a Minecraft boat.
I made an aerodynamic boat.
I made a little flamingo boat.
That's not even a boat.
That's a flamingo boat, and we all fit in there.
It's cute.
And it even has like little seats on
That's
there.
never gonna get on a lake and go fast or whatever. Let's try it out.
And 3, 2, 1.
Ha! It floats! We at least know magical clay floats.
They all float, but one thing I noticed is that hers is already starting to kind of spin around in circles, and I don't want to be spinning around in circles.
Look at that. This one looks very nice. So does this one, but this one's just a square. This one can go fast because I got a little edge on the front, so you can push the water. You can see that.
I don't know, it looks like mine's working pretty well.
Looks like mine's leaving.
Okay, well, hers is all the way over there and it spins around in circles, and I don't think it's practical. So we are gonna do a little test on both of these ones, and we're gonna use rocks as weight. So let's go.
Whoever gets the most rocks wins. Yeah,
all right, this is Jetta, this is me, and then this is Paul.
Excuse me. Okay, it looks like mine's better.
Minecraft boat. Why do you have so much in there? What is yours, a cargo boat?
I have a lot of. You know what? I think I win. I mean, this looks.
No, mine hasn't synced yet.
Uh-oh.
No!
I don't want that to happen to us. I won.
Yeah, that's gonna happen to us when you get in. Yeah, I guess we'll go with your design. Meanwhile, Paul constructs the boat for us, the boat frame. We are actually gonna be doing all the magical clay work, and we actually have to dye our white magical clay because last time we used all of our colorful clay. So we're kind of running low in stock for that, so we're using white clay on that. And last time, it actually took us like 3 days to do all the clay work. So we're gonna try and work fast, maybe make it a little bit quicker this time. So even though the boat is smaller, we're actually making the clay pieces thicker just so that it's safer and hopefully it won't get a hole. So this might actually take 10,000 clays still. So I think it's a pretty close call between Riley and Jetta. They're doing a really good job. They're on their last clays. Let's see who wins. She's got 2 clays. I lost my money. And you are the proud winner of the $1,000 to win the 100 clay challenge.
1 left.
Yeah, you had a lot of time. She was having a horrible time opening that one clay. Since we were able to open so many clays, we might actually be able to get this boat done by today.
Check this out, guys. I call this carpentry. I made the perfect aerodynamic boat. This will swerve through any waves it ever goes through. And now it's time to cover it in magical clay.
We have everybody here, and we finished all of our clays, and they're all colorful.
Here's mine.
Beautiful. Anyways, now it is time to start rolling out the planks we are going to be putting on the boat. And we are on to the first plank on the boat of magical clay. Yeah, this is the first trial. We haven't tried it at all, so we don't know if this is going to work. Oh, man.
It's a minor slip up. It's a minor slip up.
Stuck to the piece of wood.
No, it's okay. We got this. All right. This is actually a lot harder than you would think. It's not sticking to the boat, Ameerah. Well, help! No, okay. We learned one thing. We need wet clay on this.
So we figured out a solution. All we have to do is spray the wood with a little bit of water. That way the clay sticks to it better.
Yes. Genius, Ameerah.
Yep, that's my name. And it's done. It sticks right on. It looks perfect, guys. Now we're just gonna cover it up with the rest of the colors. And we are finally finished with this boat, guys. Look at it. It's all done with all the magical clay. We got a nice rainbow. What should we name this? The big rainbow?
That's a good one. Pasta boat.
You can't just say pasta and everything, Paul. I'm gonna call it the big rainbow expedition.
like it.
That's too long. I think
No,
it should be
I like
called
it.
Ameerah.
Rainbow Expedition. By the way, guys, we also put an epoxy layer on top. There's 2 layers so that it would be nice and waterproof. Now it is time to finally test this bad boy. It's really sturdy, it's really nice, but will it float? That's the real question here. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna have 2 different tests. This is the pre-test. We are just gonna use the safety of our own pool. That way we don't, if we do sink, which I promise you it won't.
I promise you it won't. I built this, half of it. I know it won't.
Time for the first test. Let's go.
Here it goes.
Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Oh!
Whoa.
No way!
Does it really?
It didn't even go down at all.
Push it. It's going.
We made a boat.
It's a boat made out of magical clay. Can you guys believe that?
Update, guys. It hasn't had any leaks so far. It's floating perfectly fine, but can it carry a person? Let's see. I'm gonna get in there. And hopefully it'll carry me. Oh man, it's kind of sinking a little bit.
Okay, that's scary.
This is difficult to balance. I don't know if I want to move at all, but it works. And I am floating, and I am in the boat.
But you know what? I think it's gonna work because it's magical clay. Magical clay is magical, right?
I've been here for a while, and it's actually pretty good. I've gotten better at balancing it. It's pretty like wobbly though.
Careful, Ameerah!
But I've gotten used to it. It's kind of like a
Okay, I'm getting it.
like an amusement park ride. It's time for Paul to get in. Hopefully, you know, he went to the gym and listened to me, so it won't be too bad. Why would you step on the step?
That doesn't work. I'll step.
Paul, you know, I forgot your balance is terrible. Oh God.
I feel like I'm gonna tip this over. No lie, though.
I think
you are.
you need to balance.
Okay, well, somebody needs to hold the boat. Much better. There we
You're
go.
in!
Paul, you need to balance.
Well, we
Okay,
can't
this
both
is scary.
balance here.
I am only balancing.
This is so scary.
All right, I'm gonna sit down and you do all the balancing, yeah?
Where are you gonna sit?
Right here.
She needs to get in.
Jay, you wanna get in?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah,
I'll
she
just
doesn't wanna get in.
hold it for you guys right
All
here.
right.
And
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, I forgot that Paul hasn't gotten used to it yet. Wee.
Okay,
Hey, is it
you're
sinking?
playing around, it's going to...
Is it sinking?
All right,
No, I think we're fine.
yeah, I feel like a real pirate now.
You do?
Yeah, super pirate. Oh my gosh, I'm here. Okay, fine. We'll play that game, huh? You wanna play that game?
Oh, you're gonna lose your balance.
No, I'm not losing
Yeah, you
my
are.
balance. I think we can get to the lake now.
And now we are at our destination. This is our lake, guys. So this is the intense part. I mean, it worked perfectly in the pool, and this is an even bigger body of water, so it should be able to flow, right?
it should, but I mean, remember you can't swim very well, so here you go.
I have to wear this bright orange thing and this giant bright rainbow thing.
Yeah, I was gonna get you like some arm floaties, but I forgot them.
It's fair. Okay, time to put this boat to the final test. Finally time to get inside the boat, and hopefully it works. I also got a nosebleed, so we have to pause for a second, but let's go.
Let's go. No, I wanna go first.
Yeah, you guys can go first. You guys can totally go
Oh,
first.
that's super stable right now.
Let's see. By the way, we have some damage on this side, Ameerah. Right here. Oh, you guys can't even see. The lake is too dirty, but the magical clay kind of ripped off, so the epoxy layer is off, and it might just melt inside in the middle of the lake, and we might be stranded in there with the boat sinking, just so you know.
Basically, we just don't have a lot of time.
I don't know. We'll see. I might be all wrong.
By the way, guys, don't try this at home.
Don't try it. Look, we have life jackets because we know what we're doing.
Paul, please stop standing.
I'm not standing anymore. Look.
Guys, you
This is all you, Ameerah.
Yeah, I
forgot me over here.
am literally.
You
Paul,
forgot
Paul,
me.
Paul,
What?
I don't know if this is gonna stay
Okay.
balanced.
Okay, wait, hold on. I got this. Ameerah, can you just sit down?
No.
Sit down.
Okay, but if we fall, it's your fault.
Okay. See, it's much better now.
Okay, Paul, we're backwards.
No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are backwards. All right, we gotta be careful.
We made it, guys.
We made it! We went all the way across and back. Are you kidding me? This
That was
boat
crazy.
is insane. What else are we gonna make out of magical clay? A car? A train. All right.
A bigger boat.
A bigger boat. A yacht.
Bigger boat.
A yacht.
And we are done, guys. I guess it worked. This is really cool. I'm thinking a roof would be really cool, or maybe a second floor.
Sail.
I'm thinking, and then, yeah, an entire room in there.
Room.
Ooh.
Damn, maybe. Don't forget to go to slimeatory.com and get your own magical clay to make some really cool creations. That's it. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.